Good morning. Good morning, people. It is today. We are going to have a lot to do today. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Just getting up. And I thought we could spend the day together. You could see my crazy day, my messy life, and all the things that I do in a day. It's a pretty busy day today. So let's get started. You guys know no morning is a morning without some coffee. Yeah. Let's go, coffee. Let's go. So the first thing that I'm doing today is taking this van to get detailed, and it is a mess.
And my feet are freezing cold. It's the morning.
I make my kids come up, wake up, and come clean this van. It's disgusting. It's so disgusting.
So Mom,
it is cold.
Move it.
All right, let's look at the state of this van. I don't think you can see it. Look at this van. Somebody left a nut. Look at this. There's like crayons. Oh, it's too dark for you guys to see. This right here, there's something growing in here. It's absolutely disgusting, people. Kids are the worst. There's like crayons and all sorts of crud in the runners. I know all of you are here for the high video production quality of my vlogs. So, about 7:20. What I like to do every morning is, don't normally do it on mornings where I work, where I leave the house, but I love to sit down and have a cup of coffee. Here is my coffee today. Life is coffee for me, guys. I love it. My little mini cup.
Do you know where the cereal that I like is, or is it all out?
We're all done with that cereal.
Oh, okay.
Mom, these are things moms do, right? My little dog's down here trying to get up. Anyway, so here I am. I like to sit down, have a cup of coffee, and kind of check my emails, go over my day, what's to come, so I'm not surprised by anything, check my schedule. I am a very strong believer of putting everything on the calendar. Sorry, I'm holding my phone today. I had to pick my dog up. This is Duchess. Say hi, Dutchie. Say hi. She's a little Yorkie. I think she's 6 years old. I'm not sure. She likes to cuddle right here. She likes to have a cuddle with her mom. Oh, there we go. Anyway, so today, so I like to sit down, have my coffee, go over my schedule, check my email, kind of get ready to face the day so I know what I have to do. So today I'm taking my car to get detailed. It is a filthy mess, as you may have seen. I'm dropping it off. My dad's going to pick me up. Got to come home. We are in the throes of homeschooling, people. Virtual schooling. Homeschooling is not accurate. It's virtual schooling. But, Mommy, it is the last day of the quarter today, or the marking period, and my girls are a little behind. We've been working hard to catch up, but we have to get all of our assignments in today, so that's going to be fun. Gotta do that. Gotta go grocery shopping. I want to go to Walmart. We have a Girl Scout event tonight, Drunk or Treat. I'll be taking you guys to see my little cuties, and then I think that's it. Those are all the things that we have to do today, as well as I have to finish laundry and all the normal stuff. But I'm so glad you're with me. So let's just get this going. I'm gonna sit here and sip my coffee. I got 10 more minutes. All right, so I after I had my coffee, I went upstairs with my coffee and began to do some work in my little office / spare room / recording studio / gym. It's all the things. And I am actually working on work stuff, working on uploading and downloading videos for virtual children's ministry. Exciting things. And that's what I did. Then after, I like the time-lapse video. Isn't that cool? So after that, I went downstairs and had to help my daughter because it was the end of the quarter. And as you know, they had all the things to do. And then I just made them lunch. And then let's go make myself some lunch. And I have found these low-carb tortillas. They are amazing. And I made the girls pizza, and I thought, hey, I'm going to make myself a keto pizza. There's that avocado spray that I am enjoying. That's all my ingredients. That's homemade sauce in the little cup. One tortilla. I think that tortilla has 5 net carbs. I have since found some ones with less carbs, and the jury's still out on the difference in how they taste. There they are. And here is so you just fry it on the bottom a little bit, get a little brown, and then I turned it over, added some sauce. It is really difficult trying to film with one hand and work with the other. It's messy and just a mess. It's a hot mess. There we are. Look at that horrible camera shot. Look at that. Oh. Okay, some pepperoni. And there it is, looking good. This is cheesy. Wait till you see this reveal after that. Put the lid on to help it melt, and then look at this. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. You what? Yeah. We did Weight Watchers or something a while ago. My favorite place. Oh, let's see if they have the oil. These things. Oh, I don't see the lemon. No one on the sale because they're gross. Oh, I heard these are good. We're gonna try them. I haven't moved anywhere. I've heard these are really good. We're gonna try these. Let's see what else we got.
What is your protein bar?
I like.
Chocolate chip, well, that sounds delicious.
I got some. I got my Plus. Oh, keto. I haven't tried those. Plus. I don't think I need any more chips. Where's the? Oh, these are good. Had those. Very good. Still recording. All right, so we got herbal black tea harvest pumpkin. I think I'm gonna get harvest and apple cinnamon. That's probably yummy. Two carbs. Yummy, yummy. Lilies. Oh my goodness. Oh. Little lilies. Wraps up my come shop with me at Wegmans, where I'm showing you some of the keto safe foods that I have been enjoying. Those were pretty good. There is sugar in them, but they tasted really good actually. Little pork rinds with honey mustard. After Wegmans later in the afternoon, I went to my Girl Scout event. There's a little video of me masked up And then we had to go pick up my van, which I had dropped off in the morning. The sun is already setting, and look at that gorgeous moon. We were driving. I was like, I gotta film this. It's just so beautiful. I had my van detailed yesterday, and I just want to show you. I can't even explain how immaculate it is. I just can't even. Well, that's for my dad who rode in my car. He's in big trouble. Anyway, look at. They fixed my seat, which was janky, was broken. They fixed it. Look in the back. I can't even tell you, people. There was something growing in there. I kid you not. It was sticky and gooey. It was horrible. Let me show you this. So this is. I can get the seat to go back. Let me show you. So I have children, and there used to be like crayons, Smarties, Starburst, candy, junk crap, all in that track system. It's all gone. They cleaned it out. Look at how meticulous it is. Look at that. Look at here. Ta-da! Look at that. Oh my God, I can't even believe it. Look back here. It's amazing. And he's like, oh, there was lots of crayons. My kids had colored on the back. With crayons. And it's so clean and meticulous. They shampooed everything. It's still a little damp. It's awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. My children are going to have to find another mode of transportation. Oh, let's go look in the back. Look at this. Look at this. Look, there's still lines. Cleaned everything. It's fantastic. I'm in awe. I am in awe. Came back with the van. We watched Harry Potter. I've been introducing my girls to that movie, and we had chicken wings. There they are. Everybody's on a device watching TV. I can't with these people. That was my dinner. Hi, so I hope you enjoyed that video of my day in my life, a day in the life of me. It was fun to make. It is really hard to film your life, to remember to record. There's so many things I wanted to record that I forgot, and halfway through I was like, oh, I was supposed to I'm recording, I'm making a video all day. So those of you who do those types of videos, kudos to you, because that is hard work. So it is a couple days after I filmed those videos. I filmed them on Friday, with the exception of the inside of my car, Saturday morning. And here I am on Monday wrapping up this video. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I would love for you to join me on the journey by subscribing and ringing that bell. And look forward to my video coming on Wednesday for my weigh-in. I have some exciting things to say. I am filming that later this afternoon. So I hope all of you are well. Until we see one another again, I want you to remember to love yourself and to love one another. Bye-bye.